For each binary operation on real numbers, so we have these three binary operations, we've been told to say determine which of 1, 2, 3 is commutative. Now, to start with, the definition of commutativity is that A star B must be equals to B star A. If you think of it as in terms of our values, you can just say, think of it as 2 plus 5 must be equals to 5 plus 2. That's what it means when an operation is commutative. So out of these operations, let's see which one is commutative. Let's start with the first one. So for the first one, we have been given A. We have A star B is equals to A minus B and A plus B. Okay. Now the opposite of this will be, of course, B star A. Just swap the letters that we have, meaning that it will be B minus A and then B plus A. Now let's see if these two are the same. So for the first one, A star B, A times A is A squared, A times B is AB, B times A is negative AB, and B times B is negative B squared. So A star B is equals to A squared minus B squared, because this cancels out. How about this side? B times B is B squared, B times A is AB, negative A times B is negative AB, and A times A is negative A squared. Also, this cancels out, meaning that B star A is equals to B squared minus A squared. Now, clearly, you can see that these two expressions are not the same. So for the first one, it is not commutative. Okay, let's test the second one. We'll do the same thing again. So part 2, we have A star B, which is equals to AB, and B star A, which is equals to the opposite, BA. Now, A star B is equals to B star A in this case, because AB and BA is just the same thing if we're multiplying. So this one is commutative. Commutative. How about the third one? So for the third one, we have A star B being equals to 2 to the power A plus B, and B star A, which is equals to 2, so swap them again, we'll have B plus A. Now remember what I said, A plus B is just the same as B plus A, just like 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2. So these two are the same, meaning that this one is also commutative. All right. So now, part B of the question says, for each of those three, evaluate this particular expression that we have here. So let's start with B, part 1. We're supposed to find 3 star 2 star 5. So what we'll do first is we have 3 star 2 and star 5. So let's find what is inside the bracket first. So it will look something like this. Using that operation in part 1, which is A minus B, A plus B. So it will be 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2. Something like this. We'll have 3 minus 2, then 3 plus 2. Now remember, we still have star 5. So what I've done here is I've applied this operation that we see here, where it's a minus b, then a plus b. So this gives us 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, then we have star 5. So this is 5 star 5. Now 5 star 5, again, to be the same thing. So say 5 minus 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. So our final answer will be 0 times 10, which is equals to 0. So 3 star 2 star 5 for part 1 is equals to 0. Right, let's go to the second one. So part B, number 2. The binary operation for that one is A star B is equals to AB. So just multiply them. So finding this expression here, we'll say, we're just multiplying 3 and 2. So 3 multiplied by 2, then star 5. This gives us 6 star 5. And again, remember, we're multiplying these two, so this will be 6 times 5, giving us 30. Okay, so let's jump to the third one. So part B, number 3 now. The binary operation is A star B is equals to 2 to the power A plus B. So for the first part, our A is 3 and our 2 is B. So this will be, I'm writing this one now. So this will be 2 to the power 3 plus 2. That's the operation. Star 5. So this is 2 raised to the power 5 star 5. This is equals to 32 star 5. Then I apply this operation again. So the operation will be 2 to the power 32 plus 5. So our final answer is simply 2 raised to the power 37. So you can just leave it as an exponent. There's no harm.